Hey, if you're looking to create a budget for your existing business and you'd like to be able to track your actual financial results over time and compare that to your budget, then you're in the right place because we have built a budget to actual financial projection template. So this template is going to allow you to create a 5-year budget based on your existing historical financials. You can use that as a base and then use that to project into the future up to 5 years. And then you'll be able to track your actual financial results month by month over that time and be able to see the output in a number of different reports and different styles. So I am on the income statement summary here, which will show you, to start with here, the 5-year projection, and then also your income statement actuals here. And then it will compare both of them in a variance report, which will show the difference, the dollar amount difference between the budget and actual. And then this report will show the budget next to a column with actual, the dollar amount variance, and the percentage variance. And you'll be able to see that for each of the 5 years. You'll also be able to get a full 5-year cash flow projection, balance sheet projection, and then a monthly income statement. So you can track both your projected and actual financial results on a monthly basis as well. And you'll have the cash flow and balance sheet monthly basis as well. Now, in order to get all of these different reports, we have a little bit of work to do. So I'm going to show you the input tabs here. So you'll really be able to create a full 5-year financial model for your existing business. You will be able to put in your accounts receivable, inventory balances, accounts payable, cash on hand, initial investment, fixed assets that you have now, and then also fixed assets you plan to purchase in the future, current loans that you might have on the balance sheet, and then future loans that you might expect to incur, as well as future investments. And then you'll be able to project your revenue by inputting, if you have historical financials, you can actually input up to 5 years of historical financials here and use that as a baseline to then project from there. And you can select a forecasting method, and you could increase based on that, the baseline from your historical financials. You can use that and then increase it by a percentage, for example, or you can manually input what you expect to generate in terms of revenue each year of the next 5 years. You can also input your expenses. You can input historical expenses and use that to create your budget, or you can manually input what you expect your budget expenses to be for the next 5 years again. You have some different variables to play with there. If you want to grow that at some percentage rate or keep an expense in line as a percentage of revenue, you can do that as well. So once you've done all that, you'll be able to then each month update this actuals tab where you can input your actual performance. And put in your actual revenue and your actual expenses, and that's what will ultimately allow you to produce these budget to actual reports that you can share with stakeholders and your management team, investors, and that sort of thing. So we have put a link to this template in the description of the video below. We also have a link in the description below to a more detailed video where we go in depth on how to fill it out exactly. Also, we have offered a discount code in the description of the video below, so you'll be able to fill out a form and get our most up-to-date coupon code to use for a discount at checkout as our thank you for watching the video. And if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@projectionhub.com. All right, thanks.